What is up, guys? It's your girl Gabby back with another video. So I realized while I was editing that this video does not have an intro, and I don't feel like doing all the extra, so this is going to be the intro. So basically, I don't know what the title of this video is gonna be. I don't know what this video is going to be, but basically this video was basically supposed to be a wig review slash makeup, like daily makeup video, but then I ended up editing that part and it ended up being way too short, so I decided to also add in the clips where I dyeing my hair. So I added those to the first part, and then I also put in the description or somewhere the time to skip to if you want to see the wig review. That'll be at the end of the video. Just a little update on how my hair dyeing goes. Just know that before you go into this video, when I dyed my hair, it didn't work. I never actually came back and updated you guys, so just know while you're watching the dyeing part is that it didn't actually work and my hair looked exactly the same. So I'm just telling y'all the beforehand because I never came back. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video and I will see y'all at the end. It's a little bright, okay, what is up, guys? So I'm back. I took my hair out. This is what it looks like. Actually, this is not bad. Look at that. I can have a whole afro. We stand. So as you can tell in my hair, there's pieces that are lighter because all these down here is where I put box dye, and I didn't know this until after I dyed my hair, is that you're not supposed to dye your hair over black dye. So that's why my roots lightened and then the ends of my hair didn't, because we like killing our hair more. This box dye, and this is from last week because I tried to bleach a wig's knots with it and it didn't work, so I used half of it. So we're gonna use the other half, but on the ends of my hair. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna just do it because at this point I've given up on my hair. I know that it's not good, but at this point, like if I were to cut it, I wouldn't really care that much. So my hair is this color right here. Actually, I'll put it on the screen. My hair is the last color. Anyways, hey guys, so as you can see here, I started applying the hair dye to my hair, but like I said, I'm a dumb little B word, and usually to dye my hair I use black people hair dye, but I don't know why people hair dye does not work on my hair. I don't know what I thought. I don't know why I thought that using a half a bottle of white people hair dye was gonna do something to my hair, but clearly it didn't. And you know, I just wanted to damage my hair even more. So as you can see, I look like a dumb person. Just know that it didn't work. Just know it didn't work. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna head out now and I'll get back to y'all later. Goodbye. Okay, so basically, as you can see, I took the yellow Got2b glue and I put that all on my hairline so that my hairs could go back, and then I put on a wig cap so that, I don't know. And then I took powder makeup, just like regular powder makeup, and I put it all over the cap, the wig cap, just because like, so that because I didn't dye the lace, and the lace came like not how it should be, so I just put color on it so that it could blend well. And then before I put it on my head, I had took mousse and I took a comb and I combed back the hair so it wasn't in the way, and then I put it up, and then I started wiping off my forehead because I had leftover glue. And then so I cut slits in the lace of the wig, and then I took glue, this like waterproof glue. I'll either put it in the description or I'll put it on the screen right now, but that's the glue that I use. And then I put it on my head, I spreaded it, and then I kind of blew dry it so it's a little tacky, and then I put the lace down. The thing that I did wrong was I put the lace too far back, and you'll see that later yeah, it looks kind of weird, but it's really far back, so my hair is really weird, and like the hairline's weird and it's messed up. So like you have to put the wig further, and then I didn't like how it looked here, so I ended up putting it in the middle part, and I never actually ended up doing the edges on the wig because I think it just looked better at the time. Obviously I fixed it, but this is my first time, so don't bully me. And then I tried to curl it, but I don't know what it was. I don't know, it just didn't want to curl. So okay, so this is the makeup part. So I used moisturizer, and then before I put on my makeup and stuff, I always, if I'm wearing lashes, I put the glue in the lashes because my makeup routine doesn't take that long. So then I fill in my eyebrows with this pencil. I got it in Japan because I live in Japan, obviously, so I use this like pencil. I like it. It's from the Dollar Tree. It's really good. And then I just take that same concealer I used on my hairline and I carve out my eyebrows, and then I obviously blend that out. And like I said, my routine is really short. I just do my eyebrows and my eyelashes. And then the last thing that I do is I just use clear mascara and I set my eyebrows and my eyebrows, and that's really honestly all I do. But yeah, in the next clip y'all are gonna see me talking about the wig. But let me know if y'all want like a more in-depth makeup video. Okay, so hey guys, so here's the review part of the video. I just first want to say I'm sorry for how I look. I am also filming on my iPhone because I didn't feel like taking out, I had to like do all this extra with the camera, so I didn't feel like doing all of that. What the okay, there's, my room is so messy. So this is the hair that's on my head. Here's what it is on Amazon. I'll also put everything in the description if you want to see what it is. So this wig was $92. I think this is a 20-inch wig. It's a body wave and it can be curled. The only thing that I would say that it comes with a really heavy like hairline, so you do have to pluck it, and also you do have to bleach it, but because I live in Japan it's so much harder to get bleached, so I just put makeup on it. In the video clips I didn't do my edges and it looked really bad, but I did do it here. Also I have some pictures that I took with this wig on. Here they are if you were wondering what they look like. But I did pluck it a little bit, but then I got lazy so I gave up. But I just pulled out the edges and I put makeup on the lace. It does shed a little bit, so you gotta watch out for that. Decent wig for a 20-inch that's only $92. That's under $100 from Amazon. It is pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's very hectic, but the review part was really short, so I decided to put the part in where I was dyeing my hair. And if you did stay till the end, I'm sorry y'all had to watch that. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment down below if y'all do want more wig review videos. I also have some more try-on haul videos that I'm going to be doing whenever those decide to come in, but you know, Corona is kind of delaying my packages, so yeah, that's it. Bye.